it. Okay, well, let me glaze it up right quick. So, Grill Week is going to be June 30th through July 4th, and it is going to be 5 spectacular days of streaming content, the best chefs who love to cook with live fire. And that's not hibachi. That's the grill. So whether you watch on Roku, YouTube, DirecTV, Samsung TV, wherever you watch your live free streaming, you need to tune in because it's going to be a week of just the most innovative content featuring the best recipes, the best chefs, and just a good time.